First, make sure the water fountain is powered on. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Keep holding until the blue light flashes twice, then release the button. When the indicator light flashes red and blue alternately, the device has entered Wi-Fi pairing mode. Now open the app on your phone and follow the instructions to add the device. Repairing the device will reset after the connection is completed. Please set up your preferences again in the app.